How to indicate equipment failure? It can be indicated through a buzzer. This buzzer can be adapted to various voltage series like 20V, 10V, or DC 1240V. The standard decibel volume can reach 85 dB or above. The protection level is IP40. 4V is considered as electrical vibration. DC 12 V24V is convenient to install and remove. We have the option to remove a stack nut on the back panel, which exposes a 6-diameter hole on our fixed cover panel. Once installed, we can protect it by covering it with a plastic cover and then reinserting the stack nut for added security and stability during operation. Here we'll show volume playback with power on. Above is a brief intro of KACON's KMB Buzzer. If you need more info or want to customize volume, etc., please leave a message in the comment section for discussion. Contact us for timely reply. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.